It's possible in Apex to have recursive triggers and then end up in a deadlock. For example, in this lead trigger, we can have some automation steps that can lead us recursively calling this lead trigger. This generally happens in big Salesforce orgs which are having multiple automation steps in a single trigger. So let's mimic this behavior in our lead trigger, and we are going to make some changes here so that this lead trigger recursively call itself. So we are going to use our after insert event here where we create the lead task. Now along with this lead task, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create few more lead records. So here I'm going to create a lead record. Let's call it another lead. And this should be, actually I can copy the code from here. And I'll use my insert statement. Now what will happen once a lead record is inserted and once we reach inside this after insert event, we create another lead record which will initiate the same lead trigger again. And this way we will end up in a deadlock. So let's save this code and now let's insert a new lead record. So I'm going to go to my lead object. And let's click on save. So here we got an exception and it says maximum trigger depth exceeded. So this means we ended up in a deadlock situation where the trigger is calling itself again and again, and we are never coming out of this trigger. So this can definitely happen with you as well, and there are ways to avoid it. And we are going to learn about that in our next couple of videos.